Uh, okay. I've done some trades. I just was feeling like probably let me do one more trade so that I can show you how you can at least be making maybe $10 every day. It's possible for everybody to be making that. Now I've already gotten my signal. I've done plenty trades before. Now I just want to have a nice entry and do one more, but I may have to pause and wait for the right time for me to enter. Okay, that's I'm trading for $10. Okay, now look at this trade. How long did it take? Micro 20 seconds. I have made $10 with $40. Now it's precision, it's practice. You don't have to overdo it. You don't have to do plenty. One or two is okay. That's all you need. So the training I give is to teach you how to get this. Now you want to see how I grew. I think I had about $80 or so when I started this trade. Now look at all this trade. Now if you're seeing this minus 72 was a loss. So do I lose? Yes. Do I lose? Yes. You can see that's a loss there so that you understand that will there be losses? Can you see profit, profit, profit? Are you seeing profits and are you seeing losses as well? Yes, you will lose, you will win, you will lose, you will win, you will lose. But you see, the end of the day, you have to end up with profits. Yes, you have to end up with profits. Now, I need to show you the time so that you see. Now, look at this. This is from like 8:31, 8:31 to 8:40. Look at all the trade to 840. 840. This is the 840. That's 10 minutes. Okay, under 10 minutes. How much did I make? Let me show you. Start from 10. This is one. No, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So I made $70. Yeah, that's what I made, $70. Can you also do the same? Yes. Can anybody do the same? Yes. But you see, the real thing there is that you need to learn. Don't just think because you are seeing the barrier offset I'm using, you will not go and do it. It's not going to be working magic. No, that's not how it works. You need to know the direction. You need to be confident about this. You need to also control your greediness, control your emotions. All these things are things that I teach student to have. You practice, you learn, you practice, then you master the whole thing and you heard. Now anybody can do this. Visit my website and also please, my WhatsApp number has changed. Check the WhatsApp number on the screen if you want to message me and find out more. God bless you. Have a wonderful time.